Family Black Fitness checking in. I just want to ask you a question. Are you a welder or are you a complainer? And what I mean by that, I know all of us have had that welder in the field that his temperature just don't be set right, so he got to go to the machine 4 or 5 times. The ground ain't right. He thinking it's something else, just wasting time. When you're in the field, you got to learn how to work and weld in any conditions. You might have a machine that can only burn 1/8-inch rods, so it's going to be set on 120, 122 all the time. So that means you're going to have to go fast, or you're going to have to go a little bit slow in areas. But you can't keep complaining and wasting time. That's the difference from a shop welder and a field welder. A field welder knows that sometimes he's going to be having to weld out of position and things might not work out right. But one thing we will not do, that's complain, man. Because we're real installer welders. We're not going to complain. We're going to solve problems. Hold on.